So the first thing I really love about this portable bidet is that it is very lightweight. Since I travel a lot and this is something that I would want to take with me on the road, I'm glad to know it's not going to take up a ton of space in my suitcase and it's not going to contribute a lot to the weight of my suitcase. So this is what it looks like when it's kind of all put together. And then there are a few different pieces. I'll show you exactly how it works. So you can actually unscrew this part and take it off. As you can see, it fits perfectly here. And then you can unscrew this entire thing. So here is where the water is going to come out. But in order for you to do that, you need to put the whole thing together first. So you're going to unscrew this out of here. And then you're going to fill this piece up with water. You don't have to fill it up to the top, but the main thing is that when you're using the bidet, it will need to be turned this way so that the water comes forward. So I did not fill it up all the way, but you can fill it up however much as you want. I just definitely wouldn't go past this line right here. So next you are going to put this on. And then now you can actually screw this piece on here. So we're going to pretend like this is filled up with water. And there is a little bit of space in between here, just in case you were wondering, because whenever I was first trying to put it on, I thought it wouldn't tighten and it just doesn't go all the way, which is fine. So there is actually a little space right here. And then whenever you want to actually use the bidet, this button is the same button you'd use to turn it on, to change the pressure, and then to turn it off. Now, I will say, fill it up with warm water if you can, because I've made the mistake of filling it up with just regular cold water. Definitely use warm water. But like I said, once you want to use it, you just press this button and you can hear it. And then you press it again and you see it's a little bit louder. There's still some water, still a tiny bit of water in there from whenever I was testing it out. And then when you press it again, it turns off. So it's like it's one button for everything. And then yeah, whenever you need to charge it, you just flip open this little tab back here, and then there you can charge it. And yeah, overall, I'm really excited to start traveling with this, especially considering sometimes we travel to countries where you're not allowed to flush the toilet paper. And, it's just really nice when you can feel so fresh and so clean wherever you go, especially when you can have something like this that fits so easily in your bag. And I do want to make a note, you did hear the noise, so just be mindful of that. If you are in a public restroom, it's up to you if you want to use it in a public restroom, but do know that there is a sound whenever you are using it. But overall, again, I love this portable bidet and I'm super excited to use it.